Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, we're having another giveaway today, so please subscribe, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. This giveaway is going to be only for subscribers, so if you're not subscribed, you can't win. So if you're here and you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and let me know you just subscribed, so you'll have a chance of winning. This is going to be a very good prize. If you remember last week, we gave away $100. This week, it's going to be something totally different, but it's going to be very good, and I'm sure you will like it. We'll talk about that later, but let's first talk about the stimulus stuff. Y'all, rumors are floating right now around the White House by someone named Alyssa Farah that we have made it very clear today that we want a skinny package. Now, this is yesterday when she said this. Y'all, this is just garbage from someone who don't know what she's talking about. She goes on the list the things that she wants to see in the package, but she also says no larger packages. Y'all, if there's one thing we know for sure, Nancy Pelosi likes a big package. She likes her big packages. So this Alyssa girl, she don't know what she's talking about. Right now, the only people in Washington we should be paying attention to is Mark Meadows, Stephen Mnuchin, and Nancy Pelosi. These three people, that's it. That's the only ones we need to pay attention to. Everyone else is just blowing hot air. Meadows, Mnuchin, and Pelosi. These are the ones calling all the shots right now. They're the only ones that matter. They're the ones we need to listen to. I'm sorry, y'all. Nancy Pelosi and Stephen Mnuchin talked on the phone after Alyssa started these rumors, and they both say they are making very good progress on the next stimulus package. Nancy Pelosi also said her and Mnuchin are still at the table exchanging language for the stimulus package. This means they are making sure all the wording is right, all their I's are dotted, all their T's are crossed, that kind of stuff. Amtrak is now demanding they pass a bill fast before they start laying off workers. They are planning on laying off 2,400 workers. So now the list of layoffs is growing. Y'all, this is very bad for these companies, and it's very bad for these workers. But on the brighter side, it could be just what we need to hear to get the stimulus package done. So far, the big companies are planning to lay off workers are Amtrak, the airlines, Disney, ESPN, MGM Resorts, Marriott, and Wind Resorts. Y'all, this is a lot of people losing their jobs. I know it's hard on them, it's very bad for them, and my heart goes out to them. I hope they don't lose their job. I hope something is passed before this happens. It is very likely that they will be losing their jobs. This is why I believe they will get a stimulus package passed very soon. Y'all, these people that's losing their jobs, that's a lot of voting Americans. And the politicians knows that. They know if they lose their jobs, the politicians are going to lose their jobs in November. All these people votes. So a stimulus bill should be coming to help everyone. Let's just hope and pray. And let's vote them all out in November. Y'all, I want to talk about two other little things before I get into the contest and what you need to do to win this contest. I want to tell you all about what you're going to win. It's a good prize. My new book. I have finished my new book. It's all about starting a service business, what kind of license you need, different models of businesses that you could open, and the steps you need to take to open those certain businesses. It's all the stuff you need to get going, like now. Y'all, it's a very easy book to follow. It's probably the biggest book I've ever made. It's a very good book. Y'all, check it out. It will be on my website. It's not there yet. I hope to get it there today. I have just been so busy I hadn't had time to put it there. I finished it like last week. But I will try my best to get it there today. In any case, I will let you know when it's there so you can go check it out and get it if you think you need it. Okay, my self-publishing mastery course. Y'all, this course is doing so much better than I ever dreamed it would do. Everybody seems to like it. There's a lot of people taking it right now. But if you want to get in, you can still get in. The link is in the box below. Go check it out. Anybody else selling this course would sell it for about $1,000. That's ridiculous in my opinion. I would never sell a course that high. People don't have that kind of money just to throw out on a course. Excuse me, y'all. My course is very low priced. It's $35, and just the freebies alone that I've got in the course is worth more than $35. So y'all check that out. Also, I am working on another course. It will be out probably in December. I'm not real sure on that yet, but it's how to start a business online. Step by step, what you need to do to start a business, how to get product to sell on your business. It's going to be a great course, and it's going to be the same price, $35. I'm going to keep all my courses very low price so more people can get into it if they want in. Y'all be sure and check out the self-publishing mastering course. Like I said, it's going phenomenal right now. And at the end of that self-publishing mastery course, it should only take a week. And if you're slow, it would take at the most 2 weeks. At the end of the course, you will have your own ebook if you do the things it tells you to do. You will have your own ebook or your own print book. It all depends on where you want to publish it. If you want to publish it on Amazon, you can have both, an ebook and a print book. But I'm going to make this offer to everyone that takes the course. Your first book, I can only sell ebooks, but your book will be on my website if you want to put it there, and it will be free of charge. We will use your button, your buy button. I will never even know when you make a sale. The only thing that will happen is you'll get money into your account and you'll know to send them to the book. Okay, what you've been waiting on. Let's get into this contest. Y'all, this contest is for subscribers only. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe or else you can't win. As you know, last week we gave away $100. This week we're not giving away cash. We're giving away a prize package. And I think you will like this prize package. I want to just get into it, and I'm going to show you everything that you're going to get in this package. Everything comes in brand new boxes. Okay, first of all, you're going to get this pen. We the people are pissed off. I give those away on my website for all orders. You're also going to get this folding tactical knife. It's a very nice knife. It is built very well. Very strong and sturdy knife. It's very good. It's got a lock on it. It's got a clip for your pocket. The handle is made of wood. It's a very good knife. It's built very strong. So there's a lock on it right there to fold it up, put it in your pocket. It's a very good knife, and it's brand new in the box when you get it. You'll also get what I sell a lot of, stun gun. It comes with this pack to carry on your belt. Velcro, pull the stun gun out. Okay? When you want to charge the stun gun, it's got a slide on the bottom. You just push that slide out and plug it straight into the wall outlet. It's that simple. A full charge on this would last about 2 months. Don't want to overcharge it, you will damage it. But to use a stun gun, on the side there's a button. You slide that button halfway up, okay? Halfway up you get a flashlight. All the way up you get the stun gun. The round button is ready to fire. Y'all, in today's world, we need all the protection we can get. A lot of people don't know the meaning of the word no. A lot of people likes to invade your personal space. Well, now when that happens, you have the defense mechanisms to protect yourself. Like I said, you get this folding tactical knife, and it's got some weight to it. It's a good knife. You get the We the People Are Pissed Off button, and you get the stun gun with the carry-in case. And all of these things are brand new, still in the boxes that they came in. Well, except the pins. I make those pins, so it's going to come just like that. I make the pins, so there's no box for them. But it all come in a package, and today's contest, you will get this package. Only one winner. What I want you to do is leave a comment on this video saying, if you had all the money in the world that you needed right now, what would you do to pamper yourself and to have a good vacation? Where would you go? What kind of pampering would you want? And yes, men needs pampering too, so it's not just for the ladies. What kind of vacation would you take if you had all the money in the world? And when you're there, what kind of pampering would you want? Would it be a massage? Would it be just laying out? What would it be? What would make you happy in today's world? Y'all, I will read the comments later tonight. I will pick a winner from the comment that I like the best. Then tomorrow, you need to come back to the 6 a.m. video. I will reveal the winner. So y'all, leave a comment what kind of vacation you would take and what kind of pampering you would want when you're there. And you could win this prize package. Again, it's only for subscribers, so you have to subscribe. And we're going to do this probably once a week. So stay subscribed once you subscribe. More chances are coming. Y'all, please watch the video that's popping up on the screen now. Give me your thumbs up, leave your comments, and just know I love you all. We will get out of this smelling like a rose. And God is going to see us through it. He already knows the outcome. He just hadn't revealed it to us yet. But He is in complete charge of everything that's going on, and He will see us through this storm. Y'all, I love you all. Until next time, ciao.